GitHub has kind of frozen open source code base in Arctic. In 2019, at the GitHub Universe, the company announced its ambitious GitHub Archive program and the GitHub Architect Code Vault. The idea was to preserve open source code buried under Arctic ice for thousands of years. Now, the idea looks great. Should the humanity fall? I mean, if you look at pandemic, we don't know what will actually happen. And if you're a big fan of Walking Dead, once our civilization collapsed and kind of we bounce back, the future generations might be able to see and use our work. That's a great idea. But the thing is that open source by design just doesn't die because it can live on people's personal devices. You can make copy and put anywhere you want. The challenge is with the proprietary code where only single company is responsible to maintain the code. But beyond that also, even if you look at from purely technological perspective, thousands years from now, this code will be obsolete. Code becomes obsolete just in a few decades. It's more or less like trying to open a floppy drive on an Oculus Rift or iPhone. It's obsolete, incompatible technology. So, we still don't know how pyramids will build, right? So 1,000 years from now, when somebody opens this vault, they're not going to use these obsolete technologies. So I really don't know the actual relevance beyond that. Okay, it's a great, fun move from GitHub to put all that code to be preserved for thousands of years.